We've been in quarantine over a year now, and as difficult as these times are, it's pretty cool how people have been able to take things they typically like doing outside and find ways to do them at home. For a lot of people, home brewing in particular has been both a form of relaxation and a thoughtful, even meticulous hobby. Some might even call it a life skill. Like many things, it requires time, practice, and investing in the right tools. So if you're new to home brewing and you're not sure what kind of equipment to start with, we're here to help you out. If you're looking for coffee makers that are easy to use, space-friendly, and require no fancy or overcomplicated techniques, a cold brew bottle is a good place to start. If you don't have time to make coffee in the morning, or you just prefer to get things done ahead of time, cold brew will be your best friend. You can technically make it in any jar or pitcher, but a bottle like this, which has a built-in filter, makes the process much easier. All you have to do is fill the inner container with coarse coffee grounds and fill the bottle up with water. Once everything's filled up, just assemble your bottle and leave it to sit overnight. In about 8 to 12 hours, your coffee will be ready. You can drink it as soon as you wake up in the morning. Throw it in a glass with some ice and you're good to go. The batch will keep for about 2 weeks. Just make sure to refrigerate it.